Abaphenyi be-SIU baqala umkhankaso wabo wophenyo lwesishiyagalolunye olumalungana nenkohlakalo ethinta impahla yokuzivikela esifweni i-COVID-19 kulesifundazwe ngokuthi babhequlule baphinde bashaqe impahla emahhovisi omphathi womasipala. Lolu phiko luthi beluhlangabezana nempibizane uma lunxusa imininingwane nokuyalela izisebenzi zalo masipala ukuthi zibambisane nalo ophenyweni.
We were investigating an allegation in Matsikama, and it was very clear that there was wrongdoing in the 3 suppliers that were supplying PPEs to that office. But while we were doing investigation, it then came to our attention that the same 3 are doing business here. And if they had done something wrong outside, we wanted to check whether they followed processes here. And that's why we came here last week, and then we were met with resistance from the municipal manager. We have got the warrant, that the order, the search and seizure order that we got, and we'll make sure that we do our work, as you might have seen.
Imeya yaseCedarbek, uSylvia Qunta, uthi uyaweseka kakhulu umkhankaso kaMengameli wokuqinisekisa ukuthi imali yabakhokhi intela iyawenza umsebenzi okufanele iwenze nokuthi isetshenziswa ngobuqotho.